Hi, my name is Ben. I'm a UK-based mountain leader, and today I want to talk to you about New Year's resolutions. I gotta be completely honest with you, I've never really done the New Year's resolution thing. I've always found it a little bit kind of pointless. I think it's like an ancient kind of thing that the Romans used to do. Is it Janus or Junus or something like it? Basically, the god of January. The Romans used to promise the god of January things, and that's just carried on throughout. So it's like an ancient tradition. However, this year, I kind of got to a point in my life where the foundations over the last few years have been set without me even realising that I've been doing that. And 2020 has just fallen in the perfect time for me to actually commit to something completely new. So this little video is about how I am approaching my New Year's resolution in 2020, and I hope it can help you guys too. Let's go. First, I do want to just say that I don't think making a New Year's resolution in January for like having a better diet or health goals or personal goals is a good idea. I think that should be something that you do all year round. So the idea is I create myself an aim and then I break that aim down into smaller achievable goals. So for example, the thing that I'm driving towards this year is to be a full-time mountain leader. To launch my website at the end of January. Then through each goal that I set myself, I can create effective systems and habits, meaning that I can just keep that going until I reach my main aim. It's not like I just this year decided that this is what I was gonna do. This is like 2019, I was building foundations for this. 2018, I was trying to figure out what it is that I want to do. And before that, it was about me building belief in myself. It's taken 2 years for me to even get to this point where I feel like I can make a legitimate step forward and say to myself, this is a New Year's resolution. This is something that I am going to see through no matter what. I feel like 2020 is all or nothing. Thank you for watching this episode, this vlog type thing. I hope that you do follow my progress over the next year, and please do post pictures of your adventures, of you getting out, and hashtag it Summit and Beyond. And I will see you on the next video next week in a bit.